Hey.
What have you brought us down today?
The Bmw M235. Well, I initially wanted to get the M2, but being practical, I went for the M235, but it was between the A45 as well, AMG. But I didn't want a hatchback no more, so I went for this basically. And then the rooftop, the nappy head, I got. Mini Cooper S had no sunroof, so 6 years without that, so I was like, you know what, fuck it, drop top it is.
It's a manual, right?
Yeah, it's a manual. I've always been like a manual driver, and I guess you have more control over gear changing, etc. So I've got stage 2 map with wrench sauce. I've done the downpipes, charge pipes, and intercooler. Also got the cold air intake MST. I did with some assistance, yes, gang.
I know some people are gonna like that. Cool, and then you also got like the splitter kits and everything.
Yeah, so I got a splitter, diffuser, eyebrows, and also got the side skirts coming, but not yet.
By the way, when you're driving, I can hear some mad like turbo noises, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like from in front of you.
You can't hear it so much in the car, but outside.
Yeah. Are you on springs or anything like that? Nah, still stuck.
Yeah. See how much you're sliding?
Yeah. Yeah.
This is hard to deal with.
Yeah.
Literally.
Nah, yeah.
That was nothing and it's sliding like that.
Yeah. Is DSC still on, yeah? Yeah, DTC is still on, yeah. Oh, okay, cool. Yeah. Now you can tell it. It pulls, you know. It pulls though, you can feel it. Like it wants to go in it.
Yeah.
You need better tires.
I do. I told you this.
Yeah. I hear that.
I said wait, but you don't want to wait.
You can still enjoy it a little bit.
Nah, I hear that.
Ooh.
See?
Oh, it's fine. We're sliding everywhere.
Literally.
I need to pop some banks in my car, you know.
Yeah.
Like
I get gas sometimes.
Game changer,
so
innit?
much, yeah.
Game changer, fam.
Everyone calls me an husband. I'll be an husband.
First go on the channel, innit?
Yes.
What are we saying? Neela? Neela, hey, you know there people are gonna make the comparison to that person in Fast and Furious, innit? You know Tokyo Drift? There's a girl on there called Neela.
Neela, yeah. Smells the same way as well. But she ain't a driver though, she's just there. She's just
I swear she ain't a driver like that.
She is, actually, she's got the
Bus back round, innit?
what's that?
Yeah, bus back round, yeah. That's nuts.
Yeah.
Sending shots.
So that's me and that.
Sending shots. Nah, it's right. We known each other for a while, so I know you're a bit of a driver in that, innit? I know you can throw it down, grip and that. But yeah, the manual thing, innit? It's a bit mad still, like.
I like it. I think it's fun.
You think?
It adds, yeah. And obviously, like people always like Quattro this, that, and the other. But I like the fact that my car kicks out.
Yeah.
It's fun to drive. I get, okay, we might slide, slip and slide, but
yeah.
I think that's what makes it exciting.
I was trying to explain that to people. Yeah, where they're like,
do they?
nah, they're like.
It's always like Quattro BM, like
Quattro.
Audi BM.
Quattro baby.
Fuck this.
Yeah, nah.
I'm sure they're nice to drive. I mean, I've driven a couple, but
So
I still like the joy of kicking the back out. Yeah,
man.
Yeah, it's just fun.
Trust me. Ow.
Sometimes it gets too much though, it just continues to go. Like,
I don't know, but it flames when you're driving as well. Like that's the good thing. It's not just a standstill thing. It's flame when you're driving and that.
Oh, yeah, you saw it the other day. But hello,
hey, I said, yo, get on the channel right now, ASAP.
Sad thing is, I don't get to see it often.
Yeah. You know what? We need to stick a GoPro in the back of it. You know, I think I've got like a little thing to stick the GoPro over the back of it so we can get some driving things. That'll gas you up, innit?
Yeah.
That'll gas you up. But ooh, the intake noises are sweet. Yeah. They're sweet. So what did you have on before? Just the stock one? Yeah. Do you hear any like the tailwind noises then? Or?
No. Nah. I mean, you hear like a slight spooling noise.
Yeah. I gotta let you drive my car. I was just thinking, you know why? Because you need to see the difference between N55 and N54. Not because mine's better, but like I feel like yours is.
You did say N54 bitch. You did say that.
Nah, but like I think the power curve is different. Yeah. If you know what I mean, like yours is a bit more linear. Yeah. And mine's like all just there, so I think you'll grip more. But yeah. It's a nice so are we gonna do a first gear or what are you feeling second gear? What we did? Oh. Oh my god. Yeah, you see what I mean? That third gear linear like pull? Yeah, that's nuts. That's nuts. You need to whack it on the dyno. Because I'm not gonna lie to you, just me being honest, that feels like 390.
Yeah, I think it's got 420.
Yeah.
I definitely think it's free, that high free.
Yeah, like 390, free. Oh my.
Oh wow. Okay.
That's what we're doing today.
Was feeling great.
Oh, the M235's got that noise in it. It's got that sound, fam. Alright. Got a nice little pull in it. Yeah, it feels like when you get higher in the rev range, then it's gonna really go, innit? Like you really gotta rev it out for it. But yeah, it's a different feeling to mine, like a way different feeling to mine. I'm still kind of gauging it, whatever, but it's cool. It's wavy. Yeah, ready when you are. Double clutching like you should. Jeez. Okay. Hey, we got some.
White folk.
Yeah. Yeah, you know what? I don't think you have a long enough road to actually really
really push it.
We're gonna take you down the long road. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it. Oh, jeez. Whoa, we spinning. Whoa, popping in. Fucking hell, mate. Yeah. Oh my days. Yeah, that's a tight turn. Woo! Ah, cool. Woo! Jeez, alright, okay.
That's the fun part.
Yeah, man. Okay, I didn't think you were gonna do that. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't think you were about that life like that still. Did not think that. Woo. Okay, we got a real driver on our hands. You're driving better than most of the man them on here still.
Nah, don't even.
Nah, I'm not gassing, fam.
I don't have the any gun.
I'm not. They're getting a bit scary. They're getting a bit scared still. Jeez. Yeah, nah, you're driving better than some of the man them on here still. I'm not gonna lie to you. Because when you clock it, yeah, you ain't got to get. You haven't really got to have driving school to drive like a four-wheel drive car. You know what I mean? You really learn how to drive when you're driving a BMW,
yeah.
You know what I mean? So yeah, man. That's how I know when you can throw it down like that. Yeah, man. All good.
And handle it, bro.
Yeah. Jeez. Yeah. Got some bangs in that. Go. You got straight in there, yeah.
Well, back box is going to be done. I was thinking about getting a Miltech exhaust, but that's in the, don't know yet what's going to happen with that, but definitely back box, that's been done. Getting new alloys, and then potentially a wrap coming towards summer, yeah. That colour's exclusive though, I'm not going to say.
I'm ready to go. You ready to go?
Yeah, let's do this.
This is the first time someone's driven your car?
No, a couple of people have driven it. I'm usually really precious about people driving my car, but I've had like 1 or 2 people drive it.
I'm used to having paddles on these. I'm not gonna lie.
I hear that.
I'm not gonna lie. But it's not, it's pretty nice to drive, I'm not gonna lie. Jeez. Yeah.
See how much it slides?
Yeah.
I don't chat shit when I say this, innit?
Yo, them pops, you know. I need pops and bangs back in my life still. Are you holding on? Yeah?
I'm actually kicking myself right now because I know how my car slides, but you don't know this. You see that?
Yeah, it's weird. Was it slipping?
Yeah.
You can't slip, sir.
No, it shouldn't.
Oh, okay.
That's just you, isn't it?
Cool. Right, cool. Yeah, I was like.
Nah, the car doesn't slip.
Cool. The brakes are good though. Don't worry. Don't worry. You're not the first person to do this,
My face right now.
I'm out here. Don't worry. You ready? Yeah.
Bruh.
I'm not gonna do nothing crazy. Don't worry. Don't worry. Because I can.
It's just, you know what it is? It's because this is the thing. My car slides a lot.
The way this clutch does, I think it saves itself. It saves itself. So like when it feels like it's good, when you mess up, it protects itself because it keeps the pedal down a little bit. If you, because obviously I don't drive manual all the time,
Yeah.
so it stops itself from burning out basically, which is, I guess it's good in a way. But I'm not gonna lie, your car needs a bit of an alignment.
Yeah, it does.
If you had one.
I'm not even gonna lie. It actually, no, it does.
It's leaning to the left right now.
I always buckled on it. So.
Oh, okay.
I'm waiting for my new one.
Yeah.
I was gonna like refurbish them, but there's no point.
Yeah, you weren't gonna reveal that way.
Nah, but you just.
Nah, it still drives fine though.
It really doesn't. It pulls a lot.
It falls to the left, but them pops are outrageous. But yeah, that's what, I don't know. It's weird. It stops itself from killing itself basically, which is good in a way. But I don't know when
it does restrict you, right? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, like it. Yeah, that's the way to describe it.
I'm trying to put it down.
Yeah. It's decent, it's okay. But I'm loving it actually at the moment. It's really nice to drive. Yeah, but it's because I'm not letting off the pedal properly. It's my fault.
No.
So you've got
Burning out my fucking thing. Come back!
it's kind of stiff in here, you know? Like your car's bare stiff. But yeah, it's nice to downshift. What you know about that? The downshifts, them heel and toe downshifts, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I got it right now. I got it right. I'm not.
You're just a driver.
Yeah, it's just. I'm just a bad driver. Move out the way. This is the worst day to do a review.
It really is, isn't it?
About it though, but, this is the worst day to do. Why I kind of felt like your car's 390 because it's so well built. It doesn't feel like how fast we're going.
You can't tell,
no,
right?
I looked at the speedo down there,
Yeah, exactly,
and I was like, okay, we're actually going. It could be 420 now. Now that I'm looking at it, it could be around like 417, maybe like 410. But you just don't.
You don't realize how fast, yeah. Sorry. Oh, the horses are there. Oh shit. Oh, that's the one thing I didn't want to do. Right, the horses are gonna go wild.
Yeah, scare the horses. That's the worst thing. That noises are nice. You just do that daily, innit?
Absolutely.
Just daily.
Absolutely.
Yeah, this is a driver's car, you know. That is in like the way it helps you like drive and everything. Like, I think I'd love one as like a weekend like track toy. I want daily one. That was a manual. I know you could do it. Like I wouldn't be able to do it myself. It's probably because you don't drive that long for work, innit? Because your journey short to work and stuff like that.
Yeah, my journey's short, but I have to drive for work. Like, I mean, it's not constant.
Yeah.
But from appointment to appointment. So I do drive a lot of that.
Because I wouldn't. This would be so sick to drive. I don't know how you don't drive it fast all the time. Or you do drive fast all the time. I don't know. I don't know. Do you drive it fast all the time?
Yeah.
Or do you just, yeah, makes sense.
It's hard not to.
No, but you know what? It is really hard not to.
Yeah.
I'm finding it very hard not to just
got obviously my own Insta, Neela _H. And then we've got obviously the cult club that the boys have started.
Yeah. That's all for the video, guys. Thank you, Neela, for appearing on the channel.
Thanks. Being the first female.
Yeah. Soon to come back on when she gets everything sorted out with the car and the map and better tires, and better wheels, not a buckled wheel.
I told you this before we came on. You were.
We needed that content now. We needed it now.
I hear that. But yeah, soon come. Summer, innit? Summer. And hopefully there'll be the wrap, so it'll be a totally different car.
Cool. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.